Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into a fascinating topic that's been sweeping the fitness world by storm: the keto diet. Whether you're a seasoned keto follower or a curious newcomer, stick around because I'm about to reveal the shocking truth about what the keto diet actually does to your body. First off, let's break down what the keto diet is. It's essentially a high-fat, low-carb eating plan designed to push your body into a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. Sounds awesome, right? But what's really happening inside? When you consume carbs, your body converts them into glucose, which is its primary energy source. But when you drastically reduce your carb intake, your body switches gears. It starts breaking down fats into molecules called ketones, which then become your new fuel. Imagine a hybrid car that switches from gas to electric. That's your body on keto. Now, let's talk about the initial phase, often called the keto flu. When you first start the diet, you might feel fatigued, get headaches, or even feel nauseous. This is your body's way of protesting the sudden shift. But don't worry, these symptoms usually subside within a week or two. But what about the long-term effects? One of the most significant benefits of the keto diet is weight loss. Studies have shown that people on keto can lose more weight and keep it off longer compared to other diets. This is partly because the high-fat content makes you feel full, reducing your overall calorie intake. Keto also has potential benefits for controlling blood sugar levels. By cutting out carbs, you avoid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. This can be particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The keto diet can be challenging to maintain long-term. Some people experience nutrient deficiencies, as the diet restricts many fruits, vegetables, and grains. It's crucial to plan your meals carefully and consider supplements to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. And let's not forget the social aspect. Eating out or attending social gatherings can become tricky when you're on a strict keto regimen. It's essential to stay committed and find ways to enjoy your favorite activities without compromising your diet. So, is the keto diet right for you? That's a decision only you can make, preferably with the guidance of a healthcare professional. The keto diet can offer incredible benefits, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Alright, that's it for today's deep dive into the keto diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay healthy and curious, folks. Catch you in the next one.